Alright folks, I got my mirror here and you can see it's all frosted up. It's getting about impossible to see through, so we're going to replace it. I ordered this on Amazon. They did not send this to me for a paid advertisement. At any rate, it just comes with the mirror. We're going to pop the old one off, pop this new one on, and it should be quick and easy. Now, I will tell you that they sell these little upholstery removal tools. They're a little plastic tool, and they recommend using that type thing for taking this off. I didn't want to buy one of those, so I've just got a little paring knife with a plastic handle. I don't really want to use metal because I'm afraid I might break it too easily. At any rate, we're going to use this to pop that off. There's a couple wires, so when we pop that off, you can see it's got all these little plastic pieces here that fit in these clips. There's a couple wires here I'll need to take off for my defroster. I can use my paring knife here maybe to help me pry that off. And these things are kind of corroded on there a little bit. And we got this little connector here. It looks like the toggle thing is down here on the bottom. I'll pop that out so I can get easier access to this. That just pulls off. So it's my old one. I'll put that in the garbage. So the difference between this old one and this new one is this one here has an extra wire that goes over here that this does not have. And this is for my little turn signal indicator, my lane change indicator. So I'm going to see if I can pop this off and put it on here. This has got a hole. Maybe it'll fit. If not, I'll just have my defroster on here. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. And the reason I don't think it's going to work is because this is hooked in and wired to this back plate, which is probably providing a ground. Same thing over here. You can see that was soldered. You can see these two wires here were soldered on, and that may keep my turn signal working, but that, and there's no place for this to clip on and stay. So I will not have a lane change indicator on this mirror. But at least I'll be able to see out of it. Alright, so we'll hook these wires back up. It really doesn't matter which one goes to which. This is a defrost thing, so it's just running current through this grid pattern over here. And it really doesn't matter which way the current's going, so there's no polarity on that. Now I'll line these back up and pop it on. Make sure that my connector there for my lane change indicator is inside. And that's it. It's back on. So there we go. Quick job.